from our audience here on stage, and 4 categories will be shown on screen. And audience will choose one category with the first 4 pair choosing first.
Okay, and the pair will designate among them who will be the describer, who will be facing the lead wall and will be describing the clue without using the clue word itself. It's homophone or a sound-alike or spelling it out, while the other half of the pair will be the guesser facing the audience.
Why did you become a Latino?
Oh my God.
Diba, pair,
Hell.
Once the guesser gets a clue correctly, or any member will say switch, the roles will switch, and the next clue will be shown. Each team will have 2 minutes to guess as many clues as possible in their chosen category. The team with the most clues guessed at the end will win do or dash.
Right. So siguro para mas mapadali itong mapakita sa mga audience natin, we will be having our demo.
Yes, we will be having our demo para maliwandawagan din sila kung paano laruin ito. At kung familiar kayo sa Pinoy Henyo. Ito, gawin natin.
Okay.
Tawagin natin natin mga demo contestants. Hello, demo contestants. What's your name?
I'm Mark.
I'm Mark.
Russell.
Mark and Russell. So, yun. Papakita namin sa inyo ang ating category, pero pili muna kayo sa inyo kung sino ang manguhula. Unang manguhula. Pag-jacking mo iba, okay? So, unang manguhula is si Mark. O, harap ka dito. At ikaw nakatingin ka sa screen. Alright, ganyan po. Tingnan nyo kung paano laruin. So, ito na ang ating demo category. So we have a sample Marvel. So Marvel to. Lahat ng tungkol sa Marvel. So we have 2 minutes on the clock. Are you guys ready? Ready? Basta tayo sabay.
Ready.
Ready?
Ready?
Timer starts
Now.
Green. Green.
Green Goblin. No, pink. Hope.
Oh, okay, switch. Lipat. Next, ko naman. Magsabi
Spy.
Ano? Ano daw? Ulit, pakiulit.
Spy.
Spy.
Secret Agent.
Captain America.
Sige lang, bigay ka pa.
Winter Soldier.
Bigay ka pa.
Red Hair.
Skrull.
Russian.
Black Widow.
Laki na switch. Ang ikot natin ay clockwise.
Clockwise.
So always to your right.
Bow and arrow.
8 lahat kasi for
Bawin araw daw.
Bow and arrow. Hawkeye.
Hawkeye, switch. Kanan. Okay, yan. So, 11 minutes
Magician.
remaining.
Magician.
Magician.
Doctor Strange.
Okay, switch. Hindi dapat magician switch. 1 minute on the clock.
Feline. Again.
Ulit.
Feline.
Feline.
Feline. Feline.
Ay, kala ko. Ant-Man.
Ant-Man? Hindi.
No. Black.
Black Panther.
Bigay lang kayo ng clue. Sige lang. Sige lang. Switch. Switch na.
Switch. Okay, switch. Pag hindi masagot, pwede kayo mag-switch.
Robot. Katumbas ng pass.
Robot.
Robot.
Iron Man.
Made up by Brainium.
Sige lang. Bigay ka
Vision.
lang.
Vision.
Vision. Switch.
Switch.
19 seconds.
Brother. Again. Brother.
Brother daw.
Brother. Winter Soldier.
11
Asgard.
seconds. 10, 9, 8,
Asgard.
7, 6,
Switch.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and time's up! So, yan po mga kaibigan, they have 6 points. Yan po, thank you so much sa our demo contestant. So, nag-gets nyo ba kung paano laruin?
Okay, ayan na, may mga ready ng sumali agad.
Alright, so before namin kayo tawagin, pakita muna natin yung mga category para maingganyo kayong sumali. Baka alam ninyo. Ito mga category natin. So,
We have TV series, we have video games, My Hero Academia, and Blackers. So, okay, umakit na sa stage. Oh, wait.
Okay, so we need 4 pairs, 4 pairs. So, may isang pair na dito.
Ilan pair dito?
3 pairs pa. Tatlong pairs pa sa mga
Team
gusto
pairs po
sumali.
po, please proceed in front. Dito po.
So kung marami kayong alam sa TV series, sa video games, My Hero Academia, na nag-showing na ngayon ulit, at Clankers. Ano yung Clankers? We need more.
Okay, we have our second pair. Two more pairs.
Two pair.
We need two more pairs.
More pairs. Baka gusto sumali ni Jeff.
Ayan, nagbubulungan na sila. Sumali na ba tayo?
Jeff?
Bulungan na.
Jeff? My name is Jeff. Si Anchan, bago si sumali.
Two more pairs. Come on, two more pairs.
Iyo, Anchan.
Two more pairs, guys. Ayan. The categories are on the board. Kung confident kayo. Yan.
Si Clifford parang itong kumakandidato eh.
Sa susunod na eleksyon, sir.
We need two more pairs po mga kaibigan para dito sa game natin na Duo Dash. Sali na po kayo dahil meron tayong magandang prize sa inyo.
May prize to, guys. Merong prize to. Hindi kayo huming wala lang.
Bukit mo dyan, Jamie.
Two more pairs, guys. Wag na mahiya. Wag na mahiya, guys. Come here. Just go in front. Dito po sa aming mga staff dito. And para makasimula na rin tayo. Ayun na. Nakonvince na.
Sino ka kasama niya?
Sinong ka-pair niya? Guys. Ka-pair.
Ka-pair. Hindi pairs na to.
Okay.
Okay, so, sino ka-partner niya?
Help a friend. Help a friend.
Help a friend. We have another, ano dito? May gusto tayong contestant na nakakailangan ng kasama.
Malay mo, kayo pa yung manalo.
Oo. Oo nga, pero wala pa siya ka-partner. Ayan na.
Ayan na.
Naku, magaling to, si Marshall.
Ashley.
Kakain lang yan ng aming cream pie. Muffin.
Isa pang pair. Isa pang pair. Isa pang pair.
Alright.
Muffin.
So we're having three pairs.
Kayo,
Laban.
Okay, so now we have three pairs. Okay, dahil wala lang po sasali. So let's call in our first pair.
First pair. Ay, nakita ko to sa auction.
Oo, ito yung hinihimalay kada beat eh.
Teka lang. Sir, siguraduhin mo natin, pati na kayo ha. Yes. Okay. Very good. Pangalan, sir.
Move forward mo tayo.
Guys, ano name?
Kiro Tensei po.
Wow. Ano po?
Kiro Tensei.
Hero.
Hero Tensei, about you sir, what's your name?
Ewan.
Ha?
Ewan.
Kiwen.
Kiwen.
Kiwen ng Hero Tensei. Sino sa inyo ang unang mamuhula? Ikaw na, okay.
Okay, nagkasundo sila agad.
Unanimous choice.
Nagkasundo sila agad. Very good.
Alright, so yan, ready ka na? Bigay na kayo na bigay ng category ng clue ah.
Okay.
Pero wag niyo sasabihin yung mismong ano, na phonetic or katulog.
Tama.
And also, pag mag-switch kayo, always to your right.
Pero teka. Audience, ano ang category nila?
Anong category nila, audience?
Audience, kayo mamimili ng category.
Kumain na ba kayo?
Ano daw? Video games
Video
daw.
games. Okay, video games po tayo. Alright, tuwan-tuwa sila. Video games. 2 minutes on the board. Are you guys ready?
Yes.
Ready, set, go!
Halika ka na.
God. God.
God daw, God.
God.
Sige lang, bigyan ka pa ng clue. Bigyan ka pa ng
Pass.
clue.
Switch.
Switch na, switch. Oh, switch. Clue.
Gumugulong.
Bugulong. Itlog yan, itlog.
Color blue.
Clue ba, clue? Huwag ka na yun.
Color blue.
Switch.
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 Oh, next. Oh, ba't na-move? Napalitan. Oh, video games, yan.
Love.
Love.
Batman.
Bigyan ka pa ng clue.
Club. Joker.
Switch.
Switch.
Switch. Nakita.
Robot. Robot.
Robot.
Robot.
Iron Man.
Video games.
Sige, clue pa. Clue pa, sir.
Sige, bigyan ka pa ng clue.
Transformer. Orange.
Para
Transformer.
klaro yung sinasabi mo. Oo. Bakit yan? Diyan mo lang.
Transformer. Bigay ka ba ng blue? Blaster. Blaster? Blaster, robot blaster. Oh my God, switch.
Switch. 35 seconds on the clock.
Hindi ko kailangan.
Hindi niya kilala. Switch. 26 seconds. O, ito, kilala ba to?
Anong clue? Hindi ko alam.
Switch. 20 seconds.
Laro 90s. Tumatalon.
Tumatalon.
May pagong.
May pagong.
May pagong. May pagong.
Mario.
Switch.
Hindi ko alam. Uy!
Alright, so they have 2 points. 2 points ba para sa ating first pair? So, kung ikaw ang tatanungin, paano mo i-describe si Lara Croft?
Lara Croft, babae.
Babae. Ha? Sexy.
Oo, tama naman.
Ano pa? May pana.
Pixelated.
Pixelated.
Ay, luma pala. So, may bago na nga pala. May remake na nga pala.
Sumisigaw.
Pala.
Okay, alright. So, yan po, may 2 points ang ating first pair. Next pair, pasok.
Welcome back again.
Yun.
Yes, welcome back again.
So, kapag tayo
Dito muna tayo, ano muna tayo dito?
Ano tayo dito? Papakilala muna tayo. Sir.
Pakilala muna tayo. What's your name?
What's your
JD po.
My name is Tom Baus.
From Baos. JD Tom Baos, sino sa inyo unang manghuhula?
Oh,
Sino manghuhula muna? Sino manghuhula muna?
Who goes first?
Ikaw muna. Okay, dito ka sa harapan. Dito sa harapan, talikod ka sir.
Yeah.
Alright, so, audience category!
The category.
Ha? TV series?
TV series?
Hello, may kausap.
Okay, TV series.
TV series. TV series. Okay, 2 minutes on the clock. Are you guys ready? Ready, set, go!
Guy with laser beams, cape, American flag cape.
Switch!
Wait.
Next.
Video game on Legos. Isang Marvel. Yung mga building po, nasa Robin at ay, Batman?
Don't know when to switch.
Wala kayo mag-switch.
Switch. If you don't know switch, sabihin nyo switch.
Bow and
Bow end daw, bow end.
Go and
Switch.
okay. Oh, switch? Okay, switch now. Switch.
Huwag mong pindutin.
clown, iconic, fully ado, Joaquin Phoenix,
Switch! Nag-ikot-ikot lang kayo dyan eh. Tawa si madam. Opo.
Red. Red.
Red daw, red.
Red.
Ito kami, red.
Pokemon,
Wait, kami.
Kakerugoy.
Sige ba, ano?
Kakerugoy,
Hindi. Switch!
Switch.
20 seconds on the clock.
what's your name again?
Ay, name niya.
Superhero.
Superhero.
Female Wonder Woman.
Female Wonder Woman. Switch!
Switch.
Female woman. Switch, okay. Time's up po. Alright, ang score nila ay tumataginting na 0. Pero thank you so much for joining. Ayan po, baka meron pang fourth pair na gusto umabol. Alright, next pair.
Alright.
So far may 2 points yung first pair natin. So habang ito si Marshall, kaya niya to.
Sige, pangalan mo na.
What's your name? Use your mic. It's not open. Miryu.
Third, Billy. Billy.
Really? Kaya na kayo katagal magkakantala?
5 minutes ago. 5 minutes ago, palakpakan!
Alright, so sino sa inyo ang unang mamuhula? Ikaw na.
Okay. The score to beat is
2 points. Audience, category.
My Hero.
My Hero Academia. Okay.
My Hero.
Sabi ni Sir, kampante siya, My Hero.
Yes.
Nako, Alright, 2 minutes on the board. Are you guys ready?
Yes.
Ready, set, go!
Sama sa bida.
Okay, ulit. Female.
Female.
Gravity.
Gravity.
Category ba?
Rocky.
Decision. Oh, ito.
Frog. Real name of a frog. Frog powers. Froggy.
Gravity.
Nasa twice.
Frog powers.
Bakit Wonder Woman?
Real name.
Switch.
Oh, switch. 1 minute 11. Oh, nasa twice ulit.
Parang ghost.
Momo.
Oh, no, switch.
Red.
Red.
Stone powers. Stone powers. Red Riot.
Gravity. Lego. Switch.
44 seconds. Ito, ano?
Parang ghost din. Sounds like.
Japanese na minom.
Kampay.
Kampay.
Sounds like ghost din.
Pag di alam, switch.
Switch.
20 seconds on the clock.
Old man.
Iniinom dito.
Superpowers. Name of a game.
Switch.
7, 6, 5. Pagkuha. Switch. Sayang, but you have 1 point. 1 point. And dahil dyan, I think we have a winner! Congrats sa ating first pair na nakakuha ng 2 points. At kayo dito mga sir, so that we can have a photo op and receive your prize.
Okay. Teka, mukhang...
Receive your prize. Siyakit mo na. Labas natin.
Importante is our prize is
Okay,
also
so that-
courtesy of Calbi and Nissan's Yakisoba.
Yun, may Nissan
Along with
Yakisoba.
door prizes. Yan.
At may kalbi na kayo.
Ayan, may pagkain na.
May million na kami lunch na kayo.
Alright.
Oh, gusto pa tayo dito. Yan.
So let's do the photo op.
Picture! And video! Oh, kaway-kaway. Pakita yung product. Product placement.